Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Arnold Jr. in here with us now this morning, and this is also his very first chiropractic visit ever, right?
Yep, that's it.
So, and why did you choose to come see me?
I saw your YouTube videos. I saw a lot of them. I was watching them all, and me and my dad got talking, and he's like, "Yeah, I saw them too." I'm thinking about going. I was like, "Well, see if they have room for two. We'll go. We'll go together.
Cool.
We'll go together."
That's great. I'm glad you chose to come here. Okay, so I'm gonna have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me too, please, Arnold. Okay, neutral. Okay, now Arnold's got the forward head posture here. His ear is, I'm not used to not having a pocket up here.
I know.
So okay.
Don't get anything on your shirt.
This is, there's where your ear's dropping over your clavicle, so your head's forward on the Z-axis. Now yours is also translated to the left a little bit of center, and you see how your head's kind of turned that way?
Mm-hmm.
That's also from your sleeping. Pelvis is a little left as well. You see I have more room over here than you do over here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna adjust him. I've already done his history and examination as well, so we're gonna start adjusting him. First thing right there on back on your tummy. I keep wanting to stick that in my pocket. No pocket. See, his left leg's short by about 1/2 inch. It gets even up here, and that tightens up in his low back and thighs a bit. So I know he's got a left sacroiliac subluxation complex, along with his left sacral deviation. So I'm going to start off adjusting his left SI joint. There. And then his right one. Straight superior, inferior, and PDA on his sacrum. Straight PDA on L5, L4. Little upward angle on L3 and L2. All the way up to L1. And then I'm going to have to let this table down a little bit. You're a little bigger than the average patient. So, oh boy. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. There you go. Okay, toughie. Whew. Give me a workout this morning. Legs are even now. You see that? Does this hurt less than that first one did?
Oh yeah.
Tightens up less, huh?
Yep.
Good. Okay. You're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. I'm gonna put the curve back in both y'all's cervical spines with this adjustment. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Yeah, you're good. Hang on, I'm just gonna lift this table up. Well, I thought I would. Okay. Bringing your head up and back over your spine where it's supposed to be. Good. Slide down this way about 1/2 inch and put both arms straight out to the sides. Good. Okay. Now you can relax your hands on your tummy there. Oh yeah. There it is.
There it is.
Had to catch you in the flea bus. Don't try to out-strengthen me. Just relax, breathe. There you go. You should have felt that from me all the way to your lower back.
Yeah,
Good
definitely.
deal. Okay, let's set you up sideways and face that way. Scoot back this way, just, yeah, there you go. I'm just hoping I can get my arms around you. You feel that gravelly in your right shoulder?
Yeah. Yep.
There, okay. This one's not as bad.
No.
There you go. Move
Yep.
better though.
Yep.
Okay, good. There we go. Excellent. Okay, let's come over here on this one now. I got a present for the both of you after we did these ring dingers on you today. You're part of Team Ring Dinger. Okay, slide down underneath this just a bit. I'm sorry, no, don't tilt. I'll get it in sideways. There we go. Yep. Make sure I get everybody locked in there tight. This is how both y'all should start sleeping, with your legs elevated like this, flat back against the bed with no pillow. That's the best way to sleep. I know everybody goes, Okay, just breathe. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's why I call it ring digger.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, I got you. Boy. Wow. Crackhead's really gonna love you, man. You know, we take care of some big patients here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, so I never had a patient so big that I couldn't adjust them. Let's come over this way. You remind me of some of our NFL guys.
I've seen some of those videos.
Yeah?
I was like, yeah, I can get a ring dinger. I've seen them.
Okay, let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards. And then neutral. Wow, look at the difference already. Your shoulders are squared off like a military man right now. Pull these up and back. Flare these guys here. I'm gonna bring this head straight back and then look at the wall behind you. That's not quite looking at the wall behind you. There you go, better. Okay, now when you do that again, it should feel smoother. Try it and see.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Very good. While I go get you and your dad's present, why don't you tell our YouTube subscribers how your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief was?
Oh, it was great. It felt great. It felt amazing. As I said, I watched all the videos. I had to come try it for myself, and I'm not disappointed. Definitely not. I love it.
Good job.
Love it.
Good job.
Thank
Come
you.
on over, Arnold. He'll be back in just a second.
All right.
You still doing good?
2 of us, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
yeah.
In fact, I feel real good.
Good.
I think
Okay,
I'm gonna
guys,
start feeling
come over
better.
here.
Good.
Since y'all are newbies to chiropractic and the
Yeah.
ring dinger, I present you with your official
right.
Team Ring Dinger
Awesome.
magnet.
Thank you.
Trademarked.
Yeah.
That's it.
There's our magnets that we just had made with our Team Ring Dinger on it. Everybody that gets Ring Dinger here is part of
That's it.
Team Ring Dinger.
Love it.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's pretty
It's amazing.
cool.
It's amazing.
Yes.
And we got all kinds of products getting ready to come out, like this shirt. We got t-shirts that are saying Team Ring Dinger on the front and back of them. So we're having all that stuff made. Just go to our website, which I always leave a link in our description box on our website, and fill out a contact form and put down what you want to say on your shirt and give you your size. And then I'll tell you how much it costs for that, because we're getting these done individually through a vendor that we work with.
Excellent.
Very good. Well, thank you both for
Thank
coming
you.
to Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and
Oh, yeah.
congratulations on your first adjustment.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's definitely
It's
amazing.
pretty good stuff, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, where we got Team Ring Dinger. We'll see y'all next time.